Hello guys, welcome back to Learning with GeoSnips. Here we are with another video for you. So today we will learn how you can query or attribute data. We have added a shapefile here. Just enable it to let you know how it looks. And then what you have to do, just right click on it and go to the attribute table. This is the attribute table. It is having many fields as join count, target FID, join FID, settlement, shape length, area, density, and to the future population as well. Now what you have to do, you want to query your attribute data. So what you have to do, basically just go on this feature which says select feature using an expression. Click this and you will get in another window where you can write the expression what you want on how you want to query your attribute table. Here if you can see, there is this option of field and values. If you click it, you will get all the field names presented in your attribute table. Imagine I want to query my data on the basis of shape area. Double click this and then ask it to give you all the unique value present in your shape area column. It will give you all the list of the unique values. And now I want to see that all the features in which the shape area is less than this particular value. And what you have to do, just select feature and then close. You see, we are getting many features has been selected in our attribute table. If you just close this window, you will see that the color of some of the shapes has been changed, which basically indicate that these are the polygons or the shape or the area which is having the shape area less than the value we have decided. In this way you can query any of your attribute field in the data. So that's it for today. Thank you.